this part, I am going to show the franchisee unit feature in the franchisee management module. A franchisee unit represents the actual business outlet or operating a branch of a franchisee. In simple words, this is the real location where the franchisee business runs. If one franchisee has a multiple outlet, each outlet can be managed separately as its own franchisee unit. To open this feature, we go to the franchisee management module, then click on the franchisee unit. Here we can see the list of all the franchisee units available in the system. Each record represents one individual outlet or branch. If I want to create a new franchisee unit, I click on New. First, I select the related franchisee, so the unit is linked to the correct franchisee record. Then I enter the unit name. Unit name helps to identify the outlet clearly, for example by city name, branch name or store name. After that, I can select the region and territory. This is useful for a location-based control and help the business to manage outlet area-wise. Next, I can fill the address and contact details. The contact number is useful to communication between the head office and the franchisee outlet. Then we have a staff counted field. This shows how many employees are working in that outlet. It helps the company understand the operational strength of the unit and plan training or support accordingly. We also have a store size field. This records the physical size of the outlet. It helps in the setup planning, outlet comparison and checking whether the store fits the required business standard. Next is the working hours. This tells us the regular opening and closing time of the franchisee unit. This is helpful for operation, compliance and customer support. We also have a license related details. This is very important because it helps the business track whether the outlet has the required legal or operational license to run properly. It also helps to identify a missing or expiring license. Now let's understand the status of the franchisee unit, because this is the one of the most important part. When the unit is in draft status or planned status, it means the outlet record has been created but the setup is still at the initial stage. The details may still be incomplete and the outlet is not ready for operational review. When the unit moves to the opening status, it means the outlet is under the preparation, setup work is ongoing, onboarding activity may be in progress and the unit is getting ready before launch. When the unit becomes launch approved or it becomes ready to launch, it means the outlet has passed the required deadlines, checks and has received approval to move towards active operation. This shows that the business side is satisfied with the launch preparations. When the unit is marked as active, it means the outlet is now fully operational and running as a live franchisee unit. But system will not allow to active the unit directly. First you have to approve the launch, and for approve the launch you have to complete the onboarding of this unit. For that you have to go in the onboarding and click the onboarding. Select the agree. Add onboarding detail. Once all the onboarding is done and completed, once the onboarding is completed, we have to create audit for this. For that, click on the compliance and click on the audit. Here you have to create a new audit. For that, select the franchisee plan, select the unit and here select the checklist item. Apply the score of that checklist item. Once you apply the score, it will automatically change the result as per the score and as per the max score. You can add multiple lines here. Once the audit has been started, click on this start button, and once it is completed, click on this complete button. After complete the onboarding and audit, it will allow you to launch approve. So click on this launch approve. Now it marks that this unit is ready for the launch. Once this unit is actually ready and actually active, then click on this activate button. When the unit is marked as active, it means the outlet is now fully operational and running as a live franchisee unit. If a unit is suspended status, it means the outlet is temporarily stopped from normal operations. If you want to suspend the unit, you have to click on this suspend button. This may happen because of compliance issue, pending approvals, business concern, or operational problem. And when a unit is marked as a closed, it means the outlet is no longer operating. This status is used when the franchisee location has permanently stopped business. If you want to close this unit, you have to press this close button. These status are very useful because they show the life cycle of each unit very clearly. Management can quickly understand whether a unit is still being prepared, ready to launch, actively operating, temporarily suspended, or permanently closed. This feature is also connected with onboarding and launch readiness. That means a unit should become active only after the required onboarding steps are completed and proper approval is given. In the same way, audit compliance check, training activity, and operational follow-up can all be linked to the franchisee unit. This gives a better control because management can review each outlet separately. So in simple word, franchisee unit are used to manage the real operating location of the franchisee business, including their store details, staff timing, license, and complete status journey from setup to active operation. So that was the franchisee unit feature. It helps the business to manage each outlet separately, maintaining important location detail and clearly track the unit status from draft to opening, launch approval, active operation, suspended or closure.